In this video, I'll show you how to set up and manage live streams in YouTube's Live Control Room. We've built a brand new stream workflow in Live Control Room that combines the best of our classic live streaming creation tools, Stream Now and Events. The new Live Control Room centralizes all of our live creation tools into one easy-to-use destination for live creators. Based on your feedback, we've added many improved features, some of which we'll walk through today. Before you get started, you'll need to have streaming software installed, also known as an encoder. Your channel also needs to be enabled for live streaming. Click the link in the description if you need help with either of these steps. Let's get started with creating a new live stream. Once you're signed in, click the upload icon at the top of the page, then click Go Live. In this window, you have the option to create a new stream or make a copy of a previous stream. Let's start with a new stream first. Select New Stream. Here you can enter in a title, set your privacy, edit your description, enable monetization, and select the stream's category. You can also choose to schedule the stream at a later time and upload a custom thumbnail. Once you enter this info, click Create Stream. Now let's take a step back. If you'd like to use settings from a previous stream, select Copy and Create. Just like with a new stream, you can modify your stream's details. Click Next to continue. If you've created a new stream key will be generated for you. For frequent streamers, you can use the same custom stream key for all your streams. To set up a custom stream key, click this dropdown, then choose Create New Stream Key. In this menu, you can set up a custom name and description. Once you're set, click Create. You can now select this custom stream key in this dropdown. You always have the option of editing your custom stream keys by selecting the Manage Stream Keys option. In this menu, you can change the details of your custom stream keys or choose to delete them. You can manage other settings like latency, DVR, and captions. Now let's connect your encoder to start the stream's preview. Copy the stream key here and paste this into your encoder settings, then start streaming. Navigate back to Live Control Room. Now you should see the stream's preview here. Nice, let's get the stream on YouTube. Click the Go Live button. You're live. You'll see this live icon along with your stream's duration on your preview window. There's quite a bit to Live Control Room, so let's go over the features. The Analytics widget lists real-time data for your stream, including the total number of concurrent viewers, chat rate, playbacks, and average watch time. This graph will show your concurrent viewers over time, but you can change this anytime to also see chat rate and playbacks. You can also check your stream's health by clicking this widget, which will give you a real-time status report of your stream. If your channel has Super Chat enabled, this widget will show a running list of people that have purchased super stickers and Super Chats during your live stream. Live Control Room now has an option for saving stream highlights. When you click this icon, you can enter the highlight's name. Then you can quickly scrub through your stream to find a highlight. You also have the ability to publish a video during a stream. If you'd like to edit the highlights metadata at a later time, you can save it as private or unlisted. Once you're finished streaming, click End Stream. You'll get stats from your stream, as well as the ability to trim your live archive and edit the video metadata in YouTube Studio. Finally, let's go over the Manage tab. This will show you all of your upcoming streams. From here, you can edit metadata or change settings of upcoming streams. And that's it. If you want to learn more, please check out the description. And don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks.